It's Tiffany's content, and let's get right into these weather updates. Okay, so we have some severe weather and thunderstorms coming right out of the Mississippi Valley, basically coming from the upper Mississippi Valley and trying to travel down to the lower Mississippi Valley, okay? So that means our Arklatex is into play, okay, which is Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas, okay? So you're going to see storms coming all the way over from Texas, from Oklahoma, and through Arkansas, down to Mississippi, into, Alabama and Georgia, and then it's going to even reach Florida, okay? So we're looking at some, flooding in the Gulf, and we'll talk about that as well, okay? But right now we have severe thunderstorms and lightning right above the Mississippi Valley, okay? Coming right out of that west coast into that central plain area, and it's definitely giving it some lightning and thunderstorms and hail activity, okay? So just be aware that there is a potential threats for hail that is in the national weather, okay? So just be aware that there's severe thunderstorms and flash flooding that can cause, life-threatening situations. So just please be aware of that. I always like to make sure that everybody is aware of the current situations. And you can see this on the GOES image star here, that there are definitely sprucing up some storms, okay? So I just want you to be aware of that. It's not, too quiet out there, but it's definitely have some severe thunderstorms right in that central area coming out of Oklahoma, even Missouri, okay? Kansas is getting a little bit of that, and it's definitely going into Arkansas and traveling down into that Gulf of Mexico. And we're going to show you some footage on that too, and you're going to see that there is threats of flooding this weekend for the Gulf of Mexico, okay? And you can see it there, just basically sprucing up some storms, as I like to say. And this is the clouds above your head, the rain above your head, the activity all above your head, okay? And this is what's going to come down and bring, the hail that they're talking about, the thunderstorms that they're talking about, the heavy rainfall and potential life-threatening flash flooding, okay? So I just want you to be aware of that. It's all up in that upper Mississippi Valley coming down to the lower Mississippi Valley that came from the West Coast, okay? And traveling through the Central Plains, and now it's trying to exit through the Gulf of America, okay? And you can see it there in the Gulf of America. It still has lightning and thunderstorms. And this is all current radar for the next few hours, even for the next, going into tonight and early morning, okay? You're going to see that there's a stationary cloud that's trying to move. It's moving slowly, but it's almost like stationary right now, and it's definitely formed. And these are the high clouds that are definitely forming above your head and bringing on that severe thunderstorm, lightning and rain and possible hail activity, okay? And it's all in that going towards the Gulf of America, okay? So I said the upper Mississippi Valley going into the lower Mississippi Valley, okay? So Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Arkansas, you're all on alert right now for flash flooding, severe threats, and everything like that, okay? So please be aware of that. There is some activity out there, okay? And we're going to also talk about what we're seeing. You're still seeing that heat advisory in the South Texas, okay? So just imagine that heat, with that moisture and all that combustion together is definitely going to cause some friction, okay? And that's what's all that's all about, that heat, and it's all trying to clear out, okay? And it's going to clear out by Labor Day, okay? I almost said Memorial, but by Labor Day, we're trying to get that to clear out so it can be a nice, beautiful day, and it looks like 85s and stuff like that in the Gulf of America during that time. And even overall for the United States, it looks like it's going to be a calm, cool, nice, very comfortable weather for Labor Day Monday, okay, September 1st, okay? So right now things can change, but it's looking like it's going to be nice and cool weather for everybody to go outside, outdoor activities, just for fun. But we also have winter advisories in Alaska, okay? Let's not forget about Alaska, okay? We do have people there. It's cold, okay? And now they're having snow forming already. We have a winter weather advisory in Alaska. So just remember, like I told you the other day, that cool weather and those cold temperatures are going to start forming. You're going to see them early as 5 a.m., 4 a.m., bright and early in the morning, and that's when you know it's happening, okay? Make sure you stay tuned to my content. Make sure you subscribe and like my channel. I'm getting up every day and coming to work for you, okay? It's Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you, everybody.